Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So in this video, I will tell you how to create 3D bitmoji on Snapchat. So for that, first of all, you need to update your Snapchat application, and once it is done, you need to click on this profile picture you can see in the top left, and after clicking on this, here you can see a photo icon. Just click on this one. So once you click on this one, here you can get two options, background and poses. So if you want to change a background, so you can get a background from here, and also you can get a different type of poses. Here you can see, so there are different type of poses. So this is how you can get it. So even after updating your application, if you are not getting this update, so try to update again after few hours. Maybe you have not updated your Snapchat application from long. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.